Okay, good morning everyone. Dr. Mary from the Remedy Room. Today I want to show you a fun breakfast. I've gotten my mom, hi mom, and dad to start eating keto since they were both injured recently and we wanted to reduce their inflammation. I hope they continue with it. So far so good. They've both lost a good bit of weight and are thinking clearly and have more energy. But today they're very excited because I found a bread product. Let me turn this around. Oh, can I? Well, it's called Superfood Bread and it's by uprisingfood.com. And if you look, it has 11 grams of carbohydrates, but 9 grams of fiber. And it's made with almond flour and egg whites. So it does need to be frozen. It is hard to keep fresh. So when you get it and it arrives, you have to put it right into the freezer. But it is 2 net carbs per slice. Oh, I can't show that. That's so much. Okay, here we go. So we've now switched out their sugar to monk fruit. It looks basically just like raw granulated sugar, but it does not raise your blood sugar. And we have cinnamon, fresh cinnamon, and she's made, let me have it on a fresh piece, some cinnamon toast. So for all you guys who have kids out there who are looking for what to feed these guys for breakfast, this is a great option to keep it keto.
Non-nutritious or nutritious?